In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently clone and save reports using Salesforce. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, this guide will walk you through the entire process with ease. First, you'll need to navigate to the Salesforce homepage. Open up your preferred web browser and enter the URL to access Salesforce. Once there, look around and familiarize yourself with the layout. This is your central hub, where you can manage accounts, tasks, and more. Next, you'll want to locate the app launcher. It's usually represented by a grid icon, often found in the upper left corner of your Salesforce page. Clicking this will unveil a menu of various applications and tools available to you. Among these options, find and select Reports. This is where we'll be doing most of our work today. Once you've landed on the Reports page, assess your selection of existing reports. Take your time to choose a report you wish to clone. Selecting the right report to work with initially will save you duplicative efforts down the line. After choosing the report, navigate to More Actions, and then click on Edit. This step is essential because it allows you to access the extended settings needed to clone the report. In this view, all powerful Salesforce customizations are at your fingertips. Next, you'll find a Save As option. Click it. What you're doing here is essentially creating a new report that's based on the existing one. Think of it as a template. You're keeping all the important bits and adding your unique touch. Now, focus on naming your report. You should input a name that makes it easily recognizable at a glance. This helps in organizing your reports, particularly if things begin to pile up over time. Be precise and clear with this name because a good naming convention can save you time and headaches in the future. Besides the main name, you'll want to input a unique report name. This acts as an identifier and ensures there's no confusion if multiple reports have similar main names. A little foresight here will go a long way. Don't forget the report description. While it might seem trivial, this is where you can offer additional context about what the report entails. A well-considered description can give future users, or even yourself, months down the line a quick summary of what the report is all about. There is a preference step involving selecting a folder. This isn't mandatory, but it helps in organizing your reports better. Decide a logical place for your newly created report to reside. Finally, click Saving This ensures your cloned report is securely stored and readily accessible for future analysis. There you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on cloning and saving reports on Salesforce. With practice, this will become second nature to you. Thanks for following along and happy reporting!